Crypto heathens, welcome back to Crypto Conan. Let's talk about this hot coin, Pepe. I'm going to attempt to take all the guesswork out of what may happen from here, give you very precise levels and some scenarios to look out for. First thing I want to bring your attention to is what I would declare the most important indicator right now, and that is the 200 moving average EMA on the 15-minute time frame. You'll notice when Pepe did break out and started consolidating lower that it just held its 15 beautifully. And then our uptrend, and just look at these tests here, almost here. Here, we lost it here, back tested, and we could have, we had a little bit downside, but we quickly reclaimed it and just held it at support. This is my number one indicator right now. And right now you can see how we got a perfect test on it here, here, and we're kind of just stalling out at this moment. Now, if we were to lose this, you could look at something like this, a little consolidation below. If this starts to turn over like a hill, then we're going to get more downside. And we'll talk about that in just a little bit. Right now, I'm going to unhide some of my technical analysis here. This is your master Fibonacci pole. If you chart, copy this. It goes from your 0. I pulled the 1 just below these wicks. Okay. And my price points are all right here. So you can see right now we are using the 2.618 as resistance. Rejection there, rejection there, there. You can see on the way up we had a harsh rejection there, come down, and then we just blasted through it. Eventually having a swing failure pattern at the 3.618. And we formed this very strong trend line, which, guys, all trend lines is just the, it's a moving average. You can see how it just swirls up. Usually if you lose your trend line, you've lost your moving average. It's just what is confluent with that on what time frame. So, a couple things I'm looking out for. Well, let's go to where I played this. So I shorted this high. In fact, there's the short I opened. I did short the very high, and then I added more, brought my entry down just a little bit. This is now closed. What I have done, and let me show you here, is I've opened a new long at this point, and I'll average in as we go down as long as we're holding this 15. In fact, let's open the phone up and see where we're at right now. Yeah, just to show you, I mean, it's spanking new. I just opened that. I don't know if you guys can see that. There's my entry. Of course, I do have a strong invalidation. My stop loss is below this 786. So scenario 1, what I'm looking for right now. Well, I'm not favoring a scenario at this moment. These are 3 possible scenarios that I'm looking for. And I kind of just pre-drew them out. Scenario 1, we do indeed pop above this 2.618, and we may find rejection at this 618, 786, or back up this 3.618. So it could look something like that even. Now, you'll just have to watch out for this 200 to come up with it and, see the reaction it gets off of it. If we do lose this trend line, price action tends to drop below it and then it can retest it. It can actually drop below it and retest it at equal highs and then come down. So there's scenario 1. Scenario 2 is we actually just have a failed auction. A failed auction is when we hold price over and over and over and it just finally gives up. We can bounce here it looks something like this, and then we get more downside. Scenario 3 is we get more bullish continuation. Where we'd get a full extension of our 4236, we'd get a swing failure pattern. At this point, we'd get, just that last strong move, almost like it did right there. There'd be a last strong move and then a sell-off. That's what I'm looking at for now. We could have something like this, and it could hold for a while. At that point, I'll certainly update you. But let me know what you think Pepe is going to do in the comments. I'd love to read them. I respond. Let me know what you guys think about this coin. If you would like to follow me, guys, I'm on Instagram at CryptoConan. I post a lot of setups, a lot of charts, and I've picked nothing but winners lately. If you hold Hex, maybe check those Hex videos out. If there's a coin you'd like me to cover, please drop it in the comments. Until then, I hope you stay savage. I hope you prosper. CryptoConan out.